So hello guys, welcome back to my new video. And the previous video we saw about string, and in this video we are going to see about list. So let's start the video. So first let me open the folder. That was that. 1 second guys. Okay, yes, Python tutorial. Open with codes. So guys, now I am going to show you about a very nice website, W3 School. It's a very nice website, and it's basically a website where you can learn other types of programming languages. There are more. We are learning Python, list. Okay, so now so guys, I will create my new file list.py. okay, so now what is list? Okay, so list are used to store multiple items in a single variable. So basically list is a data type or data structure to store many data types. Like it can store integers, it can store int, it can store string, it can store float. Okay, it can also store boolean type data type and more other data types. So how to create a list? So list is very easy to create. Okay, so suppose we have to make a variable first, so we will give variable name item is our variable name. And if you don't know about data types, then check out my data type videos and please follow this tutorial, it is going to be very awesome. So we have created a variable, and then instead of writing all the data with the string, you have to put square brackets. Okay, if you add square brackets to the variable, means it will be considered as list. So let me print the type also. Print type. I hope this function may work. Item. Okay. Yes, so it is a data type, not a data structure. Sorry for that. So here you can see class int, class list. Okay, if we remove this, then it will give, obviously it will give an error. It will give invalid syntax. Okay, so 1 second. So now you have to add square brackets, and then you can type your data. Suppose you can type Lalit. Also give any numbers like 53. You can also give float the decimal point numbers such as 8.63. We can also give a boolean data type like true or false. Okay, this is our list. Okay, so how we can print a list is simple print statement and the variable name item. So we got a list over here. Let me show it. Yes, we got a list over here. This is about list. This is the syntax how we can write list. List contains so many data types. You can write almost all data types, and big thing is that list is mutable. Okay, mutable means we can change the items in the list. So how you can access any items in a list? So simple, you have to type print. Okay, print and then items, and then you have to add square brackets, and inside of this you have to type the number. Okay, so it is first, so first number, over here. Okay, so now we print. We got 53. Why is this so? We have to print Lalit now. Why we got 53? The reason is in Python the number starting is including and last one means last number. Suppose 1 2 5 we type, then 1 will be starting, it will be including, and 5 will be excluding, means that will doesn't count. Okay, so and in Python numbers start from 0 not from 1. You have to print the first item Lalit, so you have to type 0 over here. Okay, you got here over Lalit. Very much simple. That is same for 1 we type, then we got 53, type 8, no we type 2, then we got 8.683. okay, we type 4, not 4, no we will type 3, then we will get that 2. okay, so this is how we can access any items in list. Okay, so if you get any background noise, then please ignore it. So now we will see about more functions. Now you can see over here now we have shown how we can access a list. So how you can find the length of an list, means how many total characters are there in this. So simple, there is a function named length function with brackets, starting brackets and closing brackets, length function. And now you can see, but the length function is giving us 5, means length function is starting the counting from 1 2 3 4 5, not from 0 1 2 3 4 5. okay, means it's starting from 0 1 2 3 5, but 0 doesn't have any value, so that's why it is giving the 5. Length function works like this. Okay, so now we will see how you can slice a string. We'll see how you can change any string. Okay, suppose you have to change the first character. So before that, let me add some more types of data to it, like more strings and more numbers. I'll give parrot. I will give more over here in center. I will give what can I give? I will give boy. Okay, boy. Numbers, we will only give this only true, not false. Okay, we will keep it only as false. Okay, so this is the list. Okay, so now you have to change the first value Lalit. Okay, so I had said you Python starts the number counting from 0 not from 1. So item, you have to type item equals, not like this, you have to type item square 0 equals, and then you have to what you have to exchange with it. So I will write what can I write? I will write good. Okay, so if now I print item, so now you get, see, Lalit is exchange with good, parrot 53 boy. And if we print this over here, so okay, if you print first up, and here you can see first it was Lalit, then the name changed from good. Okay, so this function is important. If we comment this and if we run now, okay, 1 second, I had selected and run. Please never select any line and then run, it will give an error. Okay, it will run that specific line only. So here you can see the same it is. So this is the type. You can change any values. You can also change it with any numbers, like 8 I will do. and then first it was Lalit, and then it is now 8. Okay, now let us see more, and let us see add items. Okay, append. Okay, so let me explain you about append. We have created a list. Okay, so now let me ignore this line also. Okay, so if you have to add one more stuff to it, suppose you have to add, okay, so let it be this. I will comment this. I will start with a new chapter to it. New variable. Okay, so there is a variable, there is a list, sorry, fruits. Okay, and here there are so many fruits: apple, watermelon, banana. Let me capital this: banana, grapes. The spelling is right. Okay, so this is a fruit list. In this, different types of fruits are there. So now your mother said this is a shopping list of fruits, which fruits you have to buy. Now your mother said I have to buy also orange. Okay, so it is not in your list. So how you will add it? There is a function named append function. Okay, append function. Append function does what? It adds any data, add any character or data types to the list. This function is basically used for list. So how you can use append function? So first you have to type the list name. List name is fruits, and then you have to add a dot and then append. Then brackets, curly brackets. What is that? Brackets, and then you have to add. Okay, so we want to orange. Okay, so now if you print fruits, so you can see we got apple, watermelon, banana, grapes and orange. This orange we got because of append function. If we remove this also, we comment this, and if we run and see, the orange is missing. Okay, so this append function does this work for us of adding and deleting items. That's why list is mutable data type. Okay, so let me put it over here also. List is a data type that is mutable. Mutable spelling, let me check. Mutable. Okay, sorry. Is mutable. Okay. You comment this. If you want this code, check out the description below. So this was append function. This I had said you how you can change the items. Okay, so now let's check about the range of items from, let us check. Okay, suppose now you have a fruit variable that I had created now, fruit list. Okay, so now you have to print the you have to only print the means you have to print from apple to banana. Okay, you have to not print grapes. Let me add more fruits. Grapes done, then papaya, guava. Spelling will be wrong, then let me check also that. Okay, let's give strawberry also, no problem. Strawberry. So this is our fruits item. So now you have to print you have to print from watermelon to papaya. Okay, So how you can do that? So you have to add brackets, then you have to give the means you have to give the number from where the watermelon is starting and where the papaya is ending. So this will be 0, 1. Okay, so from 1 it is starting. 2, we can't write like this 2. Okay, it will give an error. We have to add a colon. What is this? These 2 dots. Wow, I don't know this name. You can get any background noise. Ignore. Plane is landing. Take off. Not take off is there. That's why. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, till 4. 4 is here. 2, 0, 1, 2, 4. Okay, now let's print this. Okay, so you can see we got. I said you before that in starting. I had said in Python starting number is including and last one is excluding. So papaya is excluding because it's on the 4th number. So to show papaya also you have to add 5th. I hope you may be getting understand what I am telling to you. Watermelon, banana, grapes, papaya. Okay, so this is the range function. Let us check about some next. Remove list items. Okay, so this is the remove function. Now let's remove this line. Let us check about remove function. So to remove any item from the list, there is a function named remove function. Okay, so here you have to type the list name. Okay, so it's very much easy. So first it's near like where is that? Append function. Okay, you have to type the fruits dot remove and then brackets and inside of the variable. So now we shall remove apple. Okay, apple. So make sure that the spelling is right, matching with the list item. So now let us check. Okay, so now our apple is missing. So now let us remove. Let me copy this line, paste, and let's remove some 3-4 items. So we put strawberry. Okay, strawberry, S is capital. Make sure that everything is right. Okay, now we will also remove banana. Okay, so now we shall check. So here you can see the difference. Watermelon, grapes, papaya, guava. Okay, we have removed these items. If we comment this and then we print. Sorry, I had said you have to not select and print. So now we get the items which are available in the list. So this is about remove function. Loop list. Okay, so loop list I will explain you in the loop tutorial. So I will not make this video too lengthy. Okay, so everything is that only. So this was about list. If you want the code will be given in the description. The link will be given. Go on my GitHub and from there you can get this all. Okay, so bye friends. If you like the video, please like and share. If you don't like, then what you have to do. Bye.